Oh God, it's already burning my eyes. That's how bad it is.
Yeah, no shit. We've been in
All
it.
right, I apologize to Henry for this, but we didn't record some of this because we just kind of got on a roll and we started cleaning out Henry's workshop.
So,
oh my God.
over here, you can actually see one right here. This large circle right here.
I can't be in here.
Get out.
Get out. So, this large circle is down here, right here. That was a dirt mound that was piled about that high. And that is nothing but cat urine that I just had to break apart. This whole line back here was nothing but a big huge dirt pile about that tall, just all the way around in that corner that I had to break apart. That's why it smells like cat urine back here. So we're gonna continue cleaning this room now.
Linda had it.
Hey, you want me to get you another map? Blake another map so when you
Chad,
go.
your light needs to upgrade your respirator.
We're both
Chad.
in there in it. Okay.
Yeah,
Your
your
battery's low on that.
That's fine. I'm putting you guys on the respirator.
Alright, yeah. Well, we only have 30 minutes left.
It doesn't matter. 30 minutes is enough to fuck you up.
Alright guys, I'm back. I had to switch to a respirator because I can't breathe in this room because of the cat urine and the cat feces that is running rampant back here. So we've got me loaded up with a respirator, Shelly is getting loaded up with a respirator, and we are going to continue cleaning this room.
you see here is me scrubbing the floor with an enzymatic cleaner that neutralizes and destroys cat urine. I have to get this cleaned up because one, the smell is atrocious back here, but two, that's a health hazard. So we're scrubbing the floor, and if you look at the color of that water, it went on clear and it is yellow and saturated as cat urine. So the next phase of this enzymatic cleaner is I gotta let it sit for a few minutes and then we're gonna suck it up. So that's what's happening next. But this room is about to be free of cat pee.